This adventure continues our four-wheel drive in northwest Namibia. Two of our friends from yesterday evening, perhaps. We paced these guys for a while, since we knew that they would probably be the last elephants that we would cross on this Namibia off-road adventure. They didn't seem to mind our presence as long as we kept our distance. Naturally, we had to stop at the main attraction along this barren stretch of coast. Shark bait. A hobby that I don't understand. We spent that night and the next day relaxing in Swakopmund, and then on the 24th day we returned to Windhoek by boring highway. Ben then left Namibia, and I hung around for another week to catch up on the local sites and history. This was a 23-day off-road four-wheel drive adventure in remote places with wildlife in the harshest of environments, surreal landscapes, and the most memorable people. It was a real-world adventure indeed. Bye-bye Namibia.